It's the final road trip of the year for the Jacksonville Jaguars. A short trip up the road to the state of Georgia.
All right, man. Yes, sir. Have a good one.
Hey, it's going to be a fun one today.
I ain't been here since high school.
A lot of fun, a lot of plays. Play for your brothers, man. We in the A.
We came off a big-ass one. We see what type of team we could be, bro. Let's just put that on our back, on the D-line back. Let's get to that boy early. Hey, win on three. 1, 2, 3.
Soundbite.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. We out here getting it.
Hey, have fun today. That's what it's all about.
I put it all out on that field for real, dog. I want y'all to go out there, play for each other, go in playing for nobody else. I love y'all for real, man.
Already, bro.
Be great on 3. 1, 2, 3. Be
great.
This league's about wins and losses, and when the losses outnumber the wins for a couple years, changes are going to be made, and usually it starts at the top. It was Tom Coughlin in this case, but the decision was made a couple weeks ago by Shad Khan. The letter from the PA sped up the process.
Well, and from Shad Khan's statement, Doug Marrone and Dave Caldwell are going to report to him on an interim basis. That tells me these last 2 games are important.
First and 10 from the 17. A flip to Freeman. A block from Jones. A touchdown for Freeman. And what a drive for Atlanta to start things. Yeah, nothing but what Jacksonville fans have gotten used to seeing, and that is issues stopping the run. Here's the rookie Michael Walker bringing it back. Jacksonville to start at the 25, but the ball came out. Atlanta says that they have it, and the Falcons do have it. Keith Smith, the fullback for the Falcons, jarred it out of there. 3rd and 6, Falcons from the 8 of Jacksonville. They already lead it 7-0. Ryan drops the throw, looking, fires, caught by Freeman. He is going to be into the end zone. He caught it at about the 1-yard line, then twisted his way into the end zone. The second touchdown for Devontae Freeman, an 8-yard catch from Ryan, and the Falcons have extended the lead.
We need an interception, bro.
Early moments of the second quarter, 14-0 Falcons. Play fake. Ryan rolls to his right. Looking downfield. Fires deep downfield. Wants Julio Jones. There's double coverage down there. And the Jaguars have picked it off. Trey Herndon went up and got it. He high-pointed it.
A little naked bootleg by Matt Ryan. Julio Jones is so fast. Matt Ryan doesn't have the arm strength to get it to him. And a great job by high-pointing the ball by Trey Herndon.
And I play the middle of the field. Wait, go get the ball, bro.
Hey, boy, that boy got raised on
Wait, play the middle of the field.
Talking about man, that boy just snagged on Julio. Y'all see that?
Go get that thing. Momentum change, baby.
2 punts, 53-yard average for Cook. He's on to punt it again. And it's a fake punt. They throw it out of the backfield. Another terrific throw by Cook. That is going to be a first down. The catch made by Cody Davis. Hand it to Fournette. Steps out of a tackle into the clear. Run down from behind by Beasley. But a big gain for Leonard Fournette of 23. Josh Lambo on for a 40-yard field goal. 28 out of 29 on the year. The most accurate kicker in the league. Cook will put it down right at the 40 on the left hash. Lambo kicks it up. And the field goal is good from 40 yards. And the Jags are on the board. Gardner will take a knee after taking the snap. And that will end the half. A good one for the home team. Falcons 17, Jacksonville 3.
Hey, you know they're going to throw it at 11. We're going to step in front of one.
Ryan rolls right, looks downfield, fires, and that ball is going to be intercepted by Jared Wilson. What a break on the ball. Terrific play by the free safety.
Well, that's a really nice play by Jared Wilson. I think everybody in the stadium here knew that the ball was going to go to Julio Jones, including Jared Wilson, and he jumps right in front of Julio Jones and makes a nice play.
Oh, man, you give us a go. We got a couple more times. Hey, let's go. Hey, get the momentum going. Hey, let's stay on it. You got the juice now. Love to play, baby. Love to play the game, baby.
First down, Jaguars now from their own 37-yard line. Can you move the ball down the field here? Shotgun for Gardner Minshew. He drops the throw. Minshew looks. Now he's going to scramble. All kind of room. 40, 45, 50, into Falcons territory. He's going to step out of bounds. Terrific run by Gardner Minshew. He's got it to the 46-yard line of Atlanta, a 17-yard gain. 27-yarder from the right hash. Cook puts it down. Lambeau kicks it up. And the 27-yard field goal is good.
Hey, it's about time now. Let's go, fellas.
Second half.
We're turning up. A little louder. A little louder.
Second and goal from the 3. 17-6, Falcons lead it. Inside of 14 minutes to play in the ball game. Quadre Ollison, the third running back, is in the game now. They give Ollison the ball. He drives those legs forward. He's into the end zone for the touchdown. Quadre Ollison's first carry of the game. The rookie out of the University of Pittsburgh extends the lead for the Atlanta Falcons.
It's going to be great, 15. How about that? It's going to be great.
First and 10 from the 42. Minshew lofting for Conley. Gets behind the defense for the touchdown. Conley was the man in the fourth quarter in Oakland. His first catch today is a touchdown here in the fourth from 42.
Minshew magic, baby. A little Minshew magic.
Jaguars are going to go for it here. 4th and 10. They trail 24-12. Huge moment right here. Dropping the throw is Gardner Minshew. Looking, fires deep downfield, left side, and that ball is caught by Chris Conley. On 4th down, they convert. They get it to the 34-yard line of the Atlanta Falcons.
I got this feeling inside my bones that Minshew is going to get this first down so long.
4th down and 4 for Jacksonville. Here comes the house from Atlanta. Minshew keeps it alive and throws for Cole. It's 1st and goal. Kept it alive just long enough and delivered a strike for 23.
I got this feeling. Oh! Let's go.
4th and goal from the 7. 24-12 Falcons. Minshew drops the throw. Looking, fires toward the end zone. That ball is going to be incomplete. There are no flags. It was knocked away.
Really tight coverage on DJ Chark, and DJ's been that go-to guy, but Wilson was right on top of him.
And the Falcons will win for the 5th time in 7 games. The Jags will lose for the 6th time in the last 7.
It felt, kind of like last week felt, where we were going to find our way, and it didn't happen for us this time. So we're not going to let it get us down. We're going to, attack every day, attack practice. Even if it's just one game left, we're going to do everything we can to finish the season on the right note.